Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, bringing you a Bred Kill Hoodie review video. In today's video, we got ourselves a size small Bred Kill Hoodie from 2017. Now, I'm not too sure which version of 2017 because there's a lot of drops and restocks of this particular hoodie. I'm going to assume like one of the later ones, like in July, maybe sooner, maybe a little later, but sometime in 2017. Anyways, the reason why I do want to do this particular review is because of that part right over there. So this is an authentic Bred Kill hoodie, and basically it is a size small. And when they use this graphic here, the ARC logo, as you see, they use the same one for each size basically. So they didn't like use a bigger ARC logo for the bigger sizes. So when you got the smaller sizes like you got here, you end up with stuff like that. I do believe these are handmade. I'm not too sure, but I do believe these are kind of like handmade. So you got inconsistencies where the placements will be. So say they moved it just a little bit up, that would happen. But because of, human error, I do believe this just happens. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get you guys out of the harness. Boom. And do a nice little close-up of this bad boy. So this is what I'm talking about. Now this is very worn, and you're basically seeing what happens to a Bred Kill hoodie after it's been worn and washed a bunch of times. On these later releases, they did a pretty good job at making it pretty puffy. So even though it's still, cracked, it's still kind of puffy. So that is pretty nice. I'm not going to lie. So if you ever wanted an authentic one, just know these newer ones might still have some good puff in them. Yeah, I really like that. And we got, the classic Revenge is in the Creator's Hand sleeve text. Also in puff print, but really cracked, so it's kind of flat. OG tags from 2017. We got ourselves the lightning type tags, the lightning logo. It's very soft, by the way. If you didn't know, if you haven't owned one of these already, this is very soft and it's very nice. So definitely love the soft feel of this. It's got the metal eyelets. I do believe this is a independent 4500 blank mid-weight, and they do crop these. So unlike the newer hoodies, they crop these ones. This used to have a waistband and drawstrings. Took out the drawstrings, cut the waistband. And yeah, again, after a bunch of washes, still pretty good, well put together hoodie. Not gonna lie. Let's go and check out that kill-in and get done with this review video. So you see a lot of cracking, like right there, and there. But as you can see from afar, you still got the whole design pretty much intact. So even though it's cracked to smithereens, stupid cracked, it still looks pretty good from afar as far as the actual design itself. Pretty nice, not gonna lie. But yeah, cracked up the wazoo. These older ones fell apart really easily. Yeah, any washes and putting in the dryer or just, crinkling it up like crazy would make cracking happen really quickly. So no good on that part. But other than that, you got an awesome hoodie here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to tune in to the next one by liking, subscribing, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. And have a wonderful day. Peace.